ating bisita.
Special guest.
Special guest. Ang co-founder ng Pinoy Success Internet Entrepreneur, si Jelly
Rondolo. Yes.
Jelly Rondolo. Yes. At marami pang iba, hindi lang to. Pero ano ba yung Pinoy Success Internet Entrepreneur?
Kakaiba niya.
Go.
Internet, alam ko, sa bagay.
Pinoy Success Internet Entrepreneurs. Kaya ang adhikain ng Pinoy Success Internet Entrepreneurs upang mas marami pa tayong mga negosyante na maipanganap, marami pa tayong mga maipanganap.
Ganto na.
Lagi sabi niya Tagalog.
Bata pa lang.
Okay. Marami pa tayong mga simpleng ordinaryong mamamayan na gustong mag-aral ng pagnenegosyo sa larangan ng offline or traditional businesses or online marketing.
Wow,
Internet related.
Yeah, internet related. Kasi,
Like, anong type of mga businesses there?
we had these two events, the Social Networking 101 and 102.
Ano yun?
Introduction about social media like Facebook, LinkedIn.
Importante.
Kailan yung Jerry? Tingnan niyo.
That was, it happened itong first quarter in this year. Tapos, ito yung
Okay.
maganda kasi we're coming up to combine the Social Networking 101 and 102. Saan ka kami? Kahit saan. So we combine the Social Networking 101 and 102 equals social media profit.
Wow!
Yun nga, so sobrang hectic po na schedule ko po, hindi po namin.
Busy. Alam mo, marami pa pang mga events, hindi lang yun, no?
Yes.
Pati lightness at
Yung Harvest to Harvest.
Harvest to Harvest, it's coming live. It's on November 10 at the Crown Plaza Hotel with, of course, with Edison Victorino, the other co-founder of Pinoy Success Internet Entrepreneurs. And of course,
And who's that?
check nyo na lang.
Hindi mo.
And of course, Mr. Yung isa sa, sabi ko nga kanina, sabi ko dati, ano lang ako nito, tumitingin-tingin lang ako sa kanya. Ngayon po, I'm privileged and honored to be one of the speakers of Harvest to Harvest Live ROI Conference on November 10, 2012 at Crown Plaza Hotel with Mr. of course, Chinkitan.
Iba na level.
And of course, Mr. Francis Wong.
Naku, yun talaga.
Check ka dyan. Gusto na yung atin nun.
Francis Wong, Mr. Chinkitan,
and Jelly.
Yeah, and myself.
Yes, siyempre important si Miss Jelly.
So that will be on November 10, 2012. Your tickets, you can send it to me. You can email me at connect@angelicarondolo.com. And also, if you can visit my blog, angelicarondolo.com.
Yung
Harvest to Harvest.
About saan po ba yun?
Harvest to Harvest is a business conference.
It's a business conference.
Ang target market doon, yung mga attend talaga doon, is about sales and marketing people. And I'll be discussing how to increase your sales using social media.
Wow. Pero ano ba yung di-discuss mo na lioness kanina sinasabi ni...
Yung ang dami kong negosyo kasi. So I'm doing training, I'm doing events, and I'm doing coaching, group coaching, and many more. Ito po yung isang excited ako kasi partner naman tayo. So, first in the industry, shopping community, Lioness is a European company. And it's a shopping community. Usually, diba, we earn points when we shop. We buy and shop. So this time, whenever you shop, whenever you make purchases, you earn cash.
Wow, hindi points, cash.
We're done with the points.
Better ata ito ka.
Okay naman yung reward na cash.
Yeah, reward. So you make purchases, tapos you can visit lioness.ph para makita niyo yung mga existing merchants. Hindi ko na sila po-promote dahil hindi naman nila. Okay, so you can check those merchants and doon sa mga viewers natin, yung mga merchants, whether you are rendering services or products, you can become one of the merchants of Lioness Philippines.
Paano ba ang sistema?
Rebates, para siyang it's presyo mo na. Presyo, it's 165 pesos only.
To be a member.
To become a member. So, 165 pesos. So, anong meron to? So, once you become a Lioness member, you have access to shop and dine wherever you want to go whatever you want to do in 40 plus countries.
International, not only local.
So, di ba? Tapos pwede sa back office mo since it's free. So, you can shop from your back office. Tapos, pagkabili mo doon, using your credit card or any gateway payment. Tapos, every time you make purchases, makikita mo sa back office mo, oy, bumili pala ako kay XXX company na this amount. Uy, kumita ako, binigyan pala ako ng Linus ng XXX amount.
Ano yung extra amount na yun?
Usually, depende sa merchant. So, usually, they're giving out from 1 to 10%. And, yeah. So, depende.
Layo na siya, no?
Yeah.
Eh, kailan ba launching yan?
We'll be launching on November 2000.
Invited.
Yes. Be my guest. Be my guest. Every Monday, nandun po ako sa opisina nila, sa Makati. Just send me a private message in Facebook, Angelica Rondolo, or visit my fan page, Angelica Rondolo. Real estate business, marketing, and social media consultant.
Very interesting. Nabanggit mo real estate, no? You're into real estate din.
Dami.
Social media training.
I've been in the industry for real estate for 17 years.
17 years. And you're only 18 years old.
Yeah. Mas maganda ka sa akin yung dalawa to.
21 lang ako.
Hindi pa nababanggit ni Miss Jerry sa travel,
Oo, yung travel.
They travel. So anyway, sabi ni Bart, kinukuha niya ako as one of the travel consultant for barter. Di ba?
Yeah.
That's free since it's barter. So it's free. So anytime you can ask anything related to travel industry. So ano ba yung pinagkakaiba ng mga membership discounts na yan? Ano ba yung mga group discounts na yan? Group buying discounts na yan? Ano ba yung pinagkaiba ng pag magtatayo ka ng traditional travel agency? Ano ba yung advantage and disadvantages? Or how you can both, how can you use the offline and online business or traditional businesses?
Alam mo yung nag-pop sa mind ko, sa dami mong services, yung million peso question natin, $1 million question
Yun!
Ano ba $1 million question natin?
Ako na lang. Miss Jelly, since nandito ka sa barter show, Pinoy Swapping, open ka ba sa barter?
Yes.
Yes! Okay, ano mga kailangan mo? And anong kapalit na service ang ibibigay?
Ang hindi ko nabanggit, we are into printing. We design logos, slogan. That's courtesy of one of our company, Motski and Wish.
You have stars, so you printing of stars,
Yeah,
ganyan?
we design, we concept as we do website development as well.
Uy!
And abangan ninyo ha, ang goal ko po, one of my dream is my release po yung aking dalawang ebook this year.
Wow!
Wow!
Next week, i-guess natin kasi puro introduction pa lang yung mga business eh. Wala pa yung
Ang dami ni Jeff.
Series to,
Ang dami kasi ni Jeff.
Miss Jenny,
Ang daming nagtatanong kung matutulog pa ako. Sa tingin po ninyo, mukha po ba akong malas?
Siyempre hindi! Paano natutulog? Ano ang sikreto mo?
Hindi, yun nga, yun yung paggamit mo. You have to learn how to use internet and online marketing. Kasi pag ginawa ko lahat yung ginagawa ko ngayon, lahat offline, wala na. So you have to
Physical, mahirap eh.
So you have to leverage I'm doing a lot of online tools, or we call it internet tools, para ma-maximize ko yung ginagawa ko offline. So right now, I'm here, I'm offline, pero my business is running online.
Wow! Yun ang maganda.
Miss Jenny, ano ba mga kailangan mo for barter?
For barter.
Yes.
Kaya lumayo.
Yung bigas.
Bigas.
Harvester.
Tama-tama, no? Harvest to harvest, live ROI contracts, and then harvester.
Wow!
It rhymes.
Kailangan ko yan.
Tapos of course, I talked to Miss Maylin kanina. We'll be doing some events also.
Wow, nakaklose na ng dilagan. Talaga.
Yeah, but guys, I want you to take action of this. This is we're only 2 months in the country. We just started opening in Asia. The headquarters or head office of Asia Pacific is in Hong Kong.
Wow.
Pero ano po siya, Austria based. So we are in 40 plus countries. I'll be in Thailand, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and then Singapore and Malaysia this year.
Sama kami!
Can I go?
Taga-butang ba?
Barter.
Barter.
So thank you so much for having me here. Thank
Thank you, Kelly. I know
thank you
you're
guys.
busy.
Thank you, and see you again next week.
Okay.
Siyempre, kailangan bumalik